The 2024 Apocalypse truck is making waves with its aggressive, sinister design and a level of protection that could only be described as bulletproof. This extreme off-road machine is built to dominate both the streets and any off-road terrain you throw at it, thanks to a combination of military-grade Kevlar armor, reinforced structure, and a look that would make even NBA legend Shaquille O'Neal nod in approval. Let's dive into what makes this truck so unique and why it's a must-see for fans of extreme vehicles. The Apocalypse truck, a creation of the Arizona-based custom vehicle builders at Apocalypse Manufacturing, continues to push the boundaries of off-road and luxury truck design. For 2024, they've taken the concept to new heights with the addition of Kevlar armor that not only enhances the truck's durability but also gives it an imposing, military-inspired look. This high-performance vehicle is now capable of withstanding impacts that would bring lesser vehicles to their knees, making it perfect for any survivalist or adrenaline junkie looking to go off the grid or just stand out in the city. One of the most striking features of the 2024 Apocalypse truck is its exterior design. The truck's body is armored in military-grade Kevlar, providing the ultimate protection from debris, impacts, and even bullets. This level of reinforcement doesn't just make the vehicle practically indestructible, it also contributes to its menacing appearance. With aggressive lines, oversized tires, and a muscular stance, this truck was built to make a statement. Whether you're driving through city streets or barreling through the wilderness, this truck commands attention. Inside, the Apocalypse truck remains as tough as its exterior but without sacrificing comfort. The cabin is fitted with premium leather seating and a high-tech dashboard featuring all the latest infotainment and navigation systems. Despite its rugged nature, the truck ensures that passengers have everything they need for a comfortable ride, including climate control, state-of-the-art audio, and advanced driver assist technologies that make navigating tough terrain much easier. Of course, it's not just the looks that make this truck a standout, it's also the power under the hood. The 2024 Apocalypse truck is equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers over 500 horsepower, allowing it to conquer almost any terrain with ease. Whether you're accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour on the highway or climbing a steep mountain trail, the truck's performance capabilities are truly next level. The powerful engine is paired with heavy-duty suspension and upgraded axles to ensure that the Apocalypse truck can handle even the most extreme off-road conditions. What truly sets this truck apart, however, is its attention to safety and durability. With the Kevlar armor covering the vehicle, passengers are better protected in case of collisions or accidents. Additionally, the truck is equipped with bullet-resistant glass, adding another layer of protection. Apocalypse Manufacturing clearly understands that this vehicle is not just about flash, it's about functionality and defense. The 2024 Apocalypse truck is truly a vehicle that brings together rugged toughness, military-grade protection, and luxury in a way few other vehicles can. While it may not be for everyone, it's undoubtedly perfect for those who want a truck that can handle any situation and look great doing it. In conclusion, the 2024 Apocalypse truck is a force to be reckoned with. With its Kevlar armor, impressive V8 engine, and Shaquille O'Neal approved toughness, it's clear that this truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Whether you're looking to make a bold impression on the road or in need of an off-road warrior, the Apocalypse truck is built to deliver.